Hello everyone, I'm Amit, a computer science educator and trainer from India, and today in this remote learning session we are going to learn how we can make a quiz tricky, which was designed in Microsoft Forms app. And here I have already logged into my Office 365 account, and in this account I have already created a quiz computer networks in my Microsoft Forms. So I'll just go to my quiz. The quiz contains 3 questions, and every question has 10 points. So it's a 30-point quiz. The correct answers has been marked. It's an interactive quiz. So I would like to do 2 things. First, I would like to make every question as compulsory so that students may not be able to skip them. They have to attempt them all. Second thing I'll do, that I will shuffle the order of the answers in every question every time the quiz is reloaded, and also I want to shuffle the order of questions in the quiz every time the quiz is reloaded. It prevents the students or participants to prevent them cramming the answers, so the order of answers, like first question has a particular first answer, second question has a second answer, third question has a third answer. So they have to actually read the question fully and they have to understand it, because that is what as an educator I want. So let's do it by making the desired changes. First of all, let's change the order of answers within a question and make this question compulsory to be attempted. And here is the option like required. It will make this question compulsory to be attempted by everyone, and shuffle option will allow the answers to be shuffled in every question. I'll repeat the same thing with every question, so that every question in my quiz will be required to be answered and the answers may shuffle in the quiz. Now the thing is shuffling the order of questions in the quiz. I'll go to the setting option on the top right, and here I have the option to shuffle the questions and all questions. So it's done. So I'll just close it. Now I'll share this quiz with my students by taking the send option and copying the link. Now I'll open the quiz in some other link where I can share this with my students like this. They will view it like this on the desktop. So maybe they attempt like this. So now when they attempt this quiz and they view the result, you see like they got 20 out of 30, and the particular student sees that first has the first answer, second has the first answer, and third has the third answer. Okay, so he crammed this. He again uses the same link and tries to attempt it again. So in that way the quiz will appear again, and I will like attempt like first and third. But you see, it won't work because the order of question has now changed, and the order of answers also has changed within the questions. So Sumit, he thinks that he has made a perfect thing, but he has not actually. So it is the way to make it tricky and make it more meaningful, so that the purpose of learning should not be defeated. Thank you all. Stay tuned for some more tips and tricks.